This evening's thematic dance production is on Navavida Bhakti, the 9 forms of devotion. These include Shravanam, listening, Kirtanam, singing, Smaranam, remembering, Pada Sevanam, serving, Archanam, worshipping, Vandanam, bowing, Dasyam, servitude, Sakhyam, friendship, and Atma Nivedanam, complete surrender to Lord Guruvayurappan. Guruvayurappan, a revered form of Lord Vishnu, was worshipped by Lord Krishna himself in Dwaraka. Foreseeing the submersion of the city, Krishna instructed Guru and Vayu to take the sacred idol to a safer place. They brought the idol to Kerala, where it has been venerated by devotees ever since. All the songs and shlokas for today's performance are penned by Tulasi Vanam, a contemporary composer born in Kottayam, originally named Sri Ramachandran Nair. He is known for his compositions in Sanskrit and often uses mudra Tulasi in his work. The journey of devotion begins with Shravanam, the act of listening to the sacred stories, hymns, and teachings of the divine. Just as Parikshit attained liberation by listening to the Bhagavata Purana from sage Shuka, we too elevate our souls when we immerse ourselves in divine narratives. Through listening, the heart absorbs the essence of bhakti, allowing us to experience the presence of the Lord in our lives. Let's now witness a performance that embodies this beautiful aspect of devotion as we delve into the power of listening and its impact on the soul. Shloka Ananda Murthe, followed by the song Nama Shravana Sukham in Ragam Yamuna Kalyani, Talam Adi.
Anandamurte Guru Marutagara Vasa Lokarti Vinashaketo Dadatu Narayana Santatam Tvatpavitranama Shravanam Sukham Me Nama Shravana Sukham Nama Shravana Sukham Nama Shravana Sukham Narayana Nama Shravana Sukham Narayana Nama Shravana Sukham Narayana Nalum Videhi Sada Tava Pavana Nama Shravana Sukham Narayana Nasa Videhi Sada Tava Pavana Nama Shravana Sukham Narayana Nasa Videhi Sada Tava Pavana Nama Shravana Sukham दुरित विनाशन दुरित विनाशन नरक निशोधन दुरित विनाशन नरक निशोधन दुरित विनाशन नरक निशोधन दुरित विनाशन नरक निशोधन गुरुमारुतपुर सदन जनार्दन गुरुमारुतपुर सदन जनार्दन गुरुमारुतपुर सदन जनार्दन नाम श्रवण सुखं नारायण नाथ विधेहि सदा तव पावन नाम श्रवण सुखं कंज विलोचन कंज विलोचन काम समानन कंज विलोचन काम समानन करुणानिलयन कमलारमण करुणानिलयन कमलारमण कालिय दमन कल्मष शमन कालिय दमन कल्मष शमन कानन तुलसी भूषण मोगन कानन तुलसी भूषण मोगन कानन तुलसी भूषण मोगन नाम श्रवण सुखं नारायण नाथ विधेहि सदा तव पावन नाम श्रवण सुखं